are Baby Metal, and we're at Sick New World 2024. Slipknot, because I was blown away by the Slipknot world when I saw their performance for the first time. So I enjoyed not only their music, but also their stage set and visual presentation. It's excited to imagine what kind of like a chemical reaction will happen when our dance and their world meets. So
Baby metal has become one of the most fascinating and groundbreaking acts in modern music, blending the seemingly disparate worlds of J-pop and heavy metal into a genre-defining phenomenon.
Hi, we are Baby Metal. We're at Download with Rolling Stone UK. もともとこの曲はみんなでこうダンスしたりとか盛り上がったりとかしたいねっていうところから生まれた曲になるので、ぜひお客さんには一緒にフーフーってしたりラタタタって叫んでもらえたりとか、一緒にライブで楽しい、みんなで盛り上がれたらいいなって思ってます。
本当にこのフェスティバルに戻って
From their humble beginnings with Doki Doki Morning to their status as global icons, Baby Metal's journey is a testament to innovation, resilience, and the power of challenging conventions.
Baby Metal was formed in 2010 as a subunit of the Japanese idol group Sakura Gakuin. The group produced by Koba Metal Ki Kobayashi was built around the concept of kawaii metal, a blend of idol pop's cheerful and energetic melodies with the powerful and aggressive sounds of heavy metal. The lineup consisted of leads vocalist Suzuka Nakamoto, Zoom Metal, and supporting vocalist/dancer Yui Mizuno, Yui Metal, and Moa Kikuchi, Moa Metal. Their debut track Doki Doki Morning was released in 2010. In 2011, the song showcased their signature style, high-energy performances, catchy hooks, and thunder-use metal instrumentation. Initially met with curiosity and skepticism, the track became a viral sensation, introducing the world of a genre that had never existed before. Early breakthrough. Baby Metal early years were marked by bold experimentation and a rapidly growing fan base. Tracks like Ijime, Dame, Zetai, and Migitsune demonstrated their ability to tackle serious themes such as bullying and self-identity while maintaining a playful and theatrical approach. Their self-titled debut album, Baby Metal 2014, was a critical and commercial success, featuring hits like Gimme Chocolate that's garnered millions of views on YouTube and introduced them to an international audience. Despite the novelty of the concept, Baby Metal's talent and authenticity won over even the most skeptical metalheads. Their performances at major festivals, including Sonisphere Festival in the UK, where they shared the stage with legends like Metallica and Iron Maiden, proved they were more than a gimmick. Become global iconics. The release of their second album, Metal Resistance 2016, marked a turning point for Baby Metal. Tracks like Karate and The One showcase a more mature sounds and solidified their place as a serious artist in the global metal scene. The album debuted at number 15 on the UK album chart, making Baby Metal the highest charting Japanese band in UK chart history at the time. Their 2006 world tour was a massive success, culminating in the history performance at London's Wembley Arena, making them the first Japanese act to headline the venue. These performances was a defining moment, proving their ability to captivate audiences for beyond their home country. Challenge and resilience. Baby Metal journey has not been without challenges. In 2018, Yui Mizuno, Yui Metal left the group due to the health issue, reducing Baby Metal to the duo. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.